Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming both the Kia Telluride and your iPhone support Apple CarPlay. You need an iPhone 5 or later and iOS 7. 1 or higher for wired Apple CarPlay. Inspect the Telluride center console for a USB port labeled USB or the smartphone symbol. Earlier Telluride trims often use USB-A. For wireless CarPlay, verify the vehicle trim advertises wireless support, and make sure your iPhone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on before proceeding to pairing. To set up wired CarPlay, use a high-quality Lightning to USB cable and plug it into the Telluride center console USB port labeled USB. Turn the vehicle to ACC or run, and the UVO system will detect your iPhone. When the infotainment prompts, accept Apple CarPlay and unlock your iPhone to approve the connection. If the CarPlay icon does not appear, try a different cable. Check the iPhone Lightning port for debris. Then reboot the infotainment by holding the power knob for about 10 seconds. To enable wireless CarPlay, first pair your iPhone to the Telluride over Bluetooth. Open Settings Bluetooth on the iPhone, select the vehicle name, and confirm the PIN. After Bluetooth pairing, the infotainment will request a Wi-Fi handshake to complete wireless CarPlay. Accept prompts on both devices. Make sure Siri is enabled on the iPhone because CarPlay depends on Siri for voice control. If connection issues persist, update the iPhone iOS. Reset network settings on the phone and verify the vehicle's UVO software is up to date at the dealer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.